All right, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Yesterday, we talked about Commander Thunder. After CS made a post about it, there's a lot of reaction towards that. Many of you that follow CSMS, you can read the comment and see. So, a lot of mixed feelings about it. From the camp of DOS, which is Ogeke, of course, they are celebrating. They are very, very much happy about it. Then from the camp of Fall Deep, they are trying to play devil advocate. They are trying to play devil's advocate because some of them are not saying that, oh, we are not going to attack anybody again. We are not going to attack anybody. We should make peace. So, which is good. I'm on board on that. I'm in support of that. But that's not the reason why we're here. Because after that post, US have made another post in respect to that, talking about the same issue again. Reminding Biafrans that the man, the guy, the commander is still missing. That nobody have heard from the commander. So a lot of condemnation about it. Some people are saying a lot of comments, which I'm not here to talk about. Because I've noticed that speaking about this kind of security issue triggers a lot of people and it creates a lot of division and anger. So I don't want to go there. I just want to report it the way it is without adding anything. In fact, I may end up not analyzing anything because of the issue has to do with the security. But please do me a favor, like the video and subscribe to the channel and make sure you put your own opinion on the comment section because I have my reason why I don't want to discuss this on a live stream. Because I know in a live broadcast, if I begin to, welcome people to talk about this here, people may go beyond boundary, which I don't want this platform to be like that. And we are not here to create any division or cause any war. We don't promote violence or criminality. What we do here is to report issues so that people will take precaution and save your life so that you will not be a victim of circumstance. So, having said that, we are going to go to the latest post from COS. She made this post, and of course, as always, people are reacting towards it, which is normal. I'm not against it. Everybody have their own way of analyzing this issue and the way they understand things. But most importantly, we need to understand that that commander is still missing. And Butuzor, on the other hand, have made a video in response to that, which we are going to play here. Remember, we are not playing it to condemn anybody or to support anybody, but for you, for your own knowledge, for you to know what is going on. That is the reason why we are going to play it. And like I said, the post that CS made is here. So let us. So here is the post. All right, take a look at this. I just want to make sure that everything is all right. No, not this. Before, okay, sorry about it. I think I need to remove, take down my picture here and remove this one. And okay, I think we are good to go. Now here is the post from COS. All right, let me find a way to expand it so that you can see it for yourself. I think it is okay now. I think it's okay now. Let me try my best again. And I hope it is readable now. I hope it is readable because let me see. Okay, I think we can manage it this way. So this is the post from COS about the recent, condition of that commander. He said, breaking emergency. Commander Thunder lost by PM Simon Ekpa and Oyendomas Namodekano still missing. The United States of Biafra government today, 8th of August 4, 2024, 5 p.m. Biafran time, 12 noon Eastern time, giving Camp Commander Tango, one Owamo, and General Igwe Butuzor 48 hours to produce Commander Thunder, or allow Commander Thunder to talk to his friends and family members. At the expiration of these 24 hours, that is when the hour elapses, like nothing happened. If Thunder was not produced, the government of USV, Biafra government, the University of Biafra, will take and apply actions commiserate with the failure of this order. Dr. Ngozi represents DPM COS United States of Biafra. This post triggered a lot of people, but not only even the previous one, because what you are saying here is what every government will do, like a kind of trying to know where their citizens are and all that, which is normal. But two things I want to pick here is this. I am not doing this video talking about this thing to trigger your anger or to activate your anger. No, we are not support of anybody taking law into his or her hands. Why we are bringing this to you is for you to be aware of what is going on, and that is why it's a very sensitive issue, very, very sensitive issue, because nobody wants to get involved in issue like this. But government is a government, and they have every right to ask about their citizens and all that. Whether you like it or not, that's a normal thing to do. Now, the response of some people, okay, the response of some people is the reason why we need to go through all those things now. Because I came across a post from Nkiru. Many of you know her, the DOS agent. Look at her here. This woman here, look at this. She changed her ex account to Madam Nikki. This is Nkiru that all of you know, the DOS that joined Ogenkere after the redeclaration of Biafra. She made a kind of making mockery and laughing. Remember, the agenda of the DOS all this while is to make sure that everything that people have worked for is being rubbished and destroyed. That has been their primary objective. So nothing has changed on that. So she made this post. Please remind, let me take it back a bit. He said, please remind this madam group of women, please remind this mad group of women that they try to destroy BDF. Let me take it again. Please remind this mad group of women that they try to destroy BDF since November, but you cannot, when you send your Ebubago to go destroy BDF, what happens when they are caught? Continue crying. Now, if truly these people are for Biafra, like these guys that pretend that these are well-known DOS obedient people, well-known. If truly they are for Biafra, why are they not celebrating that one of the Biafra is missing? Not that that Biafra is not the Babago, not that Biafra is not Fulani enablers, not at all. But if just that the person believes this and you yourself believe the other one. And when the person is missing, you are celebrating. You are celebrating. It is very, very sad, at the same time laughable. But we, like me, I know already what they can do, like all this kind of cross DOS cross border. They just cross from DOS to other group, any group at all. But don't get, this is the result of their action so far. Look at it. She is laughing and mocking. Now, she's not the only one. The other guy that they normally raise money for, look at him here, also laughing and mocking. Look at him here. Just look at your screen. I don't want to mention his name. Ngozi is big. Ngozi is big trouble. This is brother English. That is not the fact. Ngozi, so I think what he want to say is Ngozi is in a big trouble. He said Ngozi is big trouble. That is how they roll. We told you that Ngozi Orabeze recruited Ebubago. You think we are joking? Today Ngozi is crying. One Ebubago is missing. Now, you see how stupid some people can be. You are saying that one Ebubago is missing, and the same person you are calling Ebubago is living and working with in the camp of Butuzor. So are you saying that Butuzor also is a Ebubago? This is how they talk, make comment that doesn't make any sense. But his agenda here is to talk down on USB and dot on and so we know the agenda, we know the motive. But the question is, what do you think he stand to gain by laughing and mocking that one is missing? That one is missing. You remember when after the disappearance of Holy Ghost, all the people working with Ogenkere have never make a post or comment, even to condemn or being worried or show remorse or anything from Sana Barawa to the least person in Ogenkere camp. They have never for once lament or complain about Holy Ghost. Eggman started talking about Holy Ghost disappearance after he decamped. So what is that thing in the camp of Ogenkere that when each time somebody is missing, they throw a party celebrating? Holy Ghost happened to work with them for majority of the time after the dedication of Biafra. He was busy with them. Maybe I believe he changed mind that minute. Something happened. I don't know. I don't have any iota of what happened. But we all know that he changed mind, because the video that we have played here, where he said there's only one government, that if you are still hanging in any group in the exile, that you should decamp. Now we are now hearing that the Holy Ghost is no more, and none of this Richard Card media have come out to say anything about what happened to Holy Ghost. Another party thrown in their camp to celebrate that he disappeared. But guess people that are worried and concerned about his disappearance? Those that have been in a different belief and agreement with what Holy Ghost believed before. USVA and all Biafrans, condemn his killing or what happened to him. Everybody condemned it. Are you getting the point? Now, this platform called BLA Squad have something to say as well. Commander Thunder is a faithful servant of Biafran people, and he has fighting for the freedom of Biafra with all his energy to make sure that the people of Biafra are safe. Commander Butuzor will be held responsible if anything happens to Commander Thunder. Investigation is ongoing. That I don't know who is the person. I'm just reading what I saw on S. Honestly, I don't have any idea of what is going on. But current concern whether whatever that happened to him or somebody buying somebody or someone that losing someone should be something that if you have any human feeling or any empathy in you, you will somehow readjust, condemn it, and pray that the person is safe wherever he is. Because you have only disagreement, like somebody who believes that the people should stand up at 1 a.m. and you believe that people should people should sit down at 1 a.m. That is just different opinion. But both of you believe that 1 a.m. is crucial. But what you want to do at 1 a.m. is what makes the difference. It does not require you going after somebody's life and taking the people's life because you can. That is why I said it is a very sensitive issue that people need to treat with very, very caution. You have to be careful and make sure that you don't cross boundary and all that, because I know a lot of a lot of energy, a lot of comment flying everywhere now. So we have to, like I said, I'm not here to analyze anything. I just want to report because it's a very sensitive issue. Very, very sensitive issue. Especially the message, the response from Butuzor that one of the 4 deep is not sharing. One of the 4 deep is not sharing that message. He's the one that shared this message from Butuzor, and we are gonna bring it to you. Let us go there. Okay, you can see how they design, COS and everything. Look at, I don't want to say anything about this. A lot is to be discussed here, but for the sake of the condition and the people's feelings and all that, we need to take it step by step. All right. So let me bring to you this message from Butuzor. He sent this message. I hope the audio will come out the way we expect it to come. And I don't know why everything is hanging. Just a moment. Let me get it done. Okay. So now I want to let me increase the volume. I hate this picture here. Honestly.
Now, Thunder is one of your commander inside my camp.
Now,
Madam,
let's start. Excuse me. Let's start from the beginning. Okay. Whatever you are about to hear from Butuzor now, before you react, calm down. All right, and make sure that this is his own opinion, his own personal opinion. The message is not pleasant, but the reason why you have to bring it is for you to know that's something he said. A lot of things that he said here that requires a very big explanation, like to detail it very well, and you can. Like I said, I'm not. God forbid that I will analyze this video. I don't want to analyze it. I don't want. But please bring your ear and hear this. Okay, bring your ear and hear this. Very, very sad that it has gotten to this level. But what can we say?
Commander inside my camp. Madam, oh God. Original one social media. So, Madam, I missed him Hoyana bottom than a baraki Butuzor. But I see him Hoyana Tonda na baraki Butuzor. You make on your mouth, Ngozora Bez and Guma there be 2 years in a struggle. I see here, a year and again a struggle. Keep a prony the original, no region honor. We're social media. You call and Kekron in suspension 1 month to look at you one bucket. 1 bucket grammar IPOB in your bidon. 1 bucket the Kage grammar ebe so good no bidon. You can betray Momiazoka. Ure PM, Rebello PM, Ure go to be PM, you see, a position of Mazoka Nege. Look at you, or broadcast. Thank you very much. The Muila Maya Kandagram Namram. The Muila Mayaka glory of God in a manifest in my life. More Ila Mayaka Chineka and Rotito, and the more in a Buloko Melu. But the Hunangala Thunder, Equal Sugar Bangala Thunder. Now you wrote that Thunder is one of your commander. Go on goes Arabeza. Thunder now wala your commander. Oh, Thunder can send Rego. Ego ni record the send the Moko Thunder can send there and I saw Butuzor. Equal Sugar Bogono. I love Biafra get met every single Ozun logo. But let me help in them. I'm not in USVA government. I come out saying element. Everybody want but at time or make a fight. Happens then do a fight. Or Roman mobile make a fight. But you lie that na Butonda is not your commander. But you try say that now you don't know commander. Thunder is not commander. Thunder is nobody. He just an ordinary soldier. Na barakia. But when you blama case me phone operate or the corner phone. Me log kill one or your commander na baraka. Look at him here back. It has come to notice to United States of Biafra government that one of your own commander, Thunder, has been allegedly multiplied and thrown inside a pit by Commander Wam, who is under Commander Butuzor in Olu State. Commander, look at you, you are the free. Look at you. Often an error, and even for an error, and neg, you would have again. He will judge. He will judge. Ezu di kage grandma ife, e film ne my hair. But I will go kumbra gasia. Ngam no tere ge ewu. Unu zuzuru ta. No to one na la Biafra. Come home in Biafra land. I will deal with you. If Hundalila in a recruit, I will use them to fight you. Oro na menage. I been a ultimate na struggle. I to was renganya. Menaga we bring a struggle. Ngozo arabu fo na ne ke so ngozo arabeza. Menaga we bring na this struggle. I to was renganya. And the category with your category is not the same thing. They can only foolish and you fool those you can fool, but they can never fool me. He didn't kid on Facebook. You just suspended the Arabato of 1 month to look at you. And my yogi, and my yogi, and my yogi woman dialogue. Who are you? You must come to survive. If you longer will be Biafra. If you don't know will be Biafra. If you don't know you Biafra. If you don't know if you don't know get what Biafra. Last call a man I get, but I get that I will never call you again. And anything concerning me, stay away. If you don't have me then at this right up, will bring insult. And then my banda, my media, they will use this name to fight you. My Biafra Shoku. My that you are fighting for state. Why others are fighting for veteran? No to be the image Nam the Carlos. No to be the image someone up man. I mother look at you free for the kage. Momiazuka kage more by 100 times. Here kid you will go, they deceive us a man. Oh, will glory Momiazuka will never fake and I can feel any mother. I am man, they will tout. Without to phone and error and they are Motango goes out of brother. Idiot, out of the kage grandma here. Okay, again. Boogie. I'm sorry, Biafra Gabo gone. If the beer we are, he got we get that a butcher in a sakia. I'm a catago on a sakio, like here, we don't go work.
So this is the end of the video. I just want to share this with you because I already know that this video is not something that people should just pay attention to. But let me just end it here. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. I want to know your own take on this. God bless you. Bye-bye for now.